So today we are going to learn about the moon. The moon is the natural satellite of the earth. A satellite is an object that goes around a planet. It is also spherical in shape like sun and 8 planets. The moon is made of rocks, but there is no air or water on the moon. So life is not possible on the moon. No atmosphere is there. It is about 3,84,400 kilometers away from the sun. It does not have its own light. It shines because it reflects the sunlight that falls on it. So it appears shiny, glowing. That is because of the light of the sun only. Here you can look at this picture. The surface of the moon is covered with craters, mountains, and valleys. What are these craters? Craters are huge holes found on the surface of the moon. These are big, round hollows that are formed when pieces of rocks called meteoroids that crash into the surface of the moon. As you know, it is spherical in shape, so its diameter is about 3500 kilometers. The moon's gravity is 1/6 of the earth gravity. So you can easily lift objects on the moon. That would be too heavy for you to lift on the earth. And you know, if your weight is 36 kg on the earth, it will be just 6 kg on the moon. There is no atmosphere on the moon. So, the side that receives sunlight that is very hot and the other side that is away from the sun that is very cold, and because of absence of atmosphere no air is there, so no sound can be heard on the moon. So we cannot hear any sound due to the absence of the air on it. Apollo 11 was the first spacecraft to land on the moon. Landed on 21st July 1969. It carried 3 American astronauts, Neil Armstrong, Edwin Aldrin, and Michael Collins. Neil Armstrong was the first man to step on the moon, and that followed by Edwin Aldrin. Michael Collins remained in the spacecraft. Armstrong and Aldrin stayed there for 2.5 hours. They have collected rock samples to bring back to the earth. The moon seems to change its shape every day. Sometimes we see the full moon, Purnima, and sometimes we only see a part of the moon, and on some days we do not see the moon. This is called the new moon, Amavasya. So the different shapes of the moon that we see, these are called phases of the moon. The shape of a particular phase depends on the sunlit part that can be visible to us from the earth. So tomorrow we are going to learn about eclipse, lunar eclipse and solar eclipse. This much for today. Thank you.